Okay, I shall continue to do this. So I'm going back to this one later. I'll try to edit. All right, but meantime, I just want to get the RAM up properly first. So from this RAM, what is the value that we need? So 5250 still ground level to 6855. Okay, so go back to my plan, ground level, which is here. Where is our center? Very simple, to create your spiral. Where my sorry, RAM up. Now we need to create RAM down. Modify. No. RAM. Select RAM down. 5250. Then this one still level 6855. Value here should be same. Spiral. Okay. So where can I get my center? Where is my tracking? The line work. Hold on. Let me cancel first. Delete the railing because it's quite misleading. What is this? So many line. This is down. This is nothing. How come my view, this one looks so huge? Let me do a measurement. The width of my RAM is so big. Something's wrong. 7009. Let's take a look at the key reference. I think the offset is slightly offset. This 7009 is correct, but it's just offset. Okay, so the drawing kind of pretty misleading. Let me delete this away. Just to ensure that 7009, this component is exactly in the center. Hold on, 7900 divided by 2, 3950. No, I was wondering the model looks so funny. Measure from here to here. 3950 is correct. To here, 7009. How come this now appears to be so much difference? Okay, I will draw more time. Just to make sure that is correct. RAM coming down 50525 from ground level 7009, snapping from here. Doesn't appear to let me snap at the center. Yep, now it's correct. Sorry, pen it. Okay, finish. From here, I think at the same time, I will do the modification later. Okay, so done. Is there a handrail there? No, huh? I think this model at this view, as I say lah, don't be distracted by a lot of extra lines. As I said, you should be super careful on it. Because the line work at certain range looks okay and at certain level looks overlapping, so a bit misleading. As long as you guys determine the center, the grid, all right, for the reference plane, same thing. All this determines correctly if throughout all the levels they are so-called same alignment, then it's okay. Oh, I keep double check it just to ensure that no arrows and so on, because there's a lot of overlapping lines, which is quite misleading. Okay, so uh what is this? Railing, delete away. The center to center. Double check, huh? Make sure it's from here. Here to this one. 116. RAM. This is 5250. This one ground level. This is 6855. Everything should be same. Spiral. Center here. Where can I able to track the center? Reference plane. That's how I measure is, hold on, here to this arc is 11600. So divided by 2, 5008. But just now on the other side, the calculation is a bit out. I don't know why. Very weird. So reference plane, peak light offset 58. Just now was 5797.9, which is only 1 mm difference or 2 point something mm difference. Very weird. So I think 5008 should be the closest. Yeah, the value that we are getting it. Oops, come on. Yep, like that. Okay. Okay, so now spiral, height same, center from here, zoom in, here to here. Hmm, why they calculate so much offset? Very deceiving, all these adjustment. How come with 5825? What is happening to my measurement here? Five thousand eight correctly, but when you create RAM, it showed it slightly bigger. This Revit is a bit weird. The way the calculation, see, center offset 5008 is correct. But when you start to draw, it gives you kind of weird stuff. Hmm. Anyway, let's try it. Come on, pen works. Okay, when you see this guy slant, right, you are still able to use the alignment tools to align it. No need to follow exactly here. See the line? The reference plane? Align it. Hey, how come this? Oh, I stepped wrongly. See, I'm so careless. Distracted by the system. One more time. Center, center, here. See, too short. See that? No worry. Align. Select this. Highlight this. Align this way. Okay. Select this. Extend. Oops. Sorry, not allowed. Finish it. And let's see at the 3D. Does it connect? Looks good. Okay. Yep. Okay, get. Okay, the last one, 6850 to 1205. Okay, go back to your level, ground level, create the final one. RAM down 6850. Kind of weird. Why 650? I thought 6855 one. Why 50? All these connections I think got some issue. Hold on. This is 6855. This one is from 6850. Ah, no wonder. See thing? There's some discrepancy here. Just was wondering why 5 mm difference. I didn't notice that. 6855. Eh, sorry. Okay, now finally join back. Scary. When we make changes, you guys got to be super careful on it. See? Adjust all the correct value. I think I better write down before I forget. 6855. Okay, so I'm creating the final RAM for the coming down one. RAM 6855. This ground level set it to 12 12050. Okay, then straight to here. Oops. From here, snap. Come on, center, center. Don't allow me to snap the center. Okay, never mind. Reference level. Reference plane, sorry. Then you should be able to allow to snap. What's happening to my rabbit? So difficult. Yours so fast, okay not? Mine like recently keep giving me a lot of funny issue. Yeah. Okay, finish it. See a bit short, huh? Very weird. Finish. Why is it short? Because of the 655 thingy? Let me try, huh? Same measurement, now give me different length, which is very weird. I'm a bit lost. Not say really lost, it's a bit confused why Revit is so inconsistent. I'm deleting away is the railing because don't want it to confuse my view. So this offset here, you can still do the alignment, modify. Okay, to at least to make sure that they are snapping it correctly. See the line here? There's a slight offset. Always the case. But still a bit short. Okay, the only way I can cheat it. How come this is 605? Not say cheat lah, as I said. you can edit sketch, align this to here. Okay, I believe it should still able to reach correctly. Yep, let's take a look at the final result. It should be still all right. Okay, so let's look at the south view, see whether are we able to see captured correctly. Yep, so you can see that sometimes it actually reach a level based on the calculation, but it just don't sketch nicely. So you may use the alignment tools to do the alignment. Not say we are cheating, but just to compensate. All right, because if you have RAM and you combine with spiral, this thing will happen. If you are doing straight RAM and with the so-called U-turn RAM with its own internal what do you call it, the landing, I would say so far you might not encounter all this extra issue. I don't call it a problem lah. It's just an issue if there's a combination. Oh, yeah. So at least, yep, it's done. Okay. Questions? So can have something like this. Now is to do the cleanup. This part is called the cleanup. All right. Same thing for this. Any questions, guys? So here a bit fat, so I got to do some adjustment on this inner parts. Okay, because this is 7,009, this is not. So I still trust that this component is correct, but this is wrong. So I'm going to modify this. So what I'm showing you guys here is also ask you to look out, watch out for this type of so-called error or problems. Okay, questions? Actually, all this you can copy up and down if you want, if it's done correctly. A lot of things to play with lah. Huh? Questions? Aga, Ethan, or N? Who else? Jai, how is it? If you all know already, this is chicken feed, right? No question? Or it's too boring? Still trying. Serious? Yeah. How about the rest? Because I don't see any feedback or respond. All super super duper quiet. Okay. I'll still let the recording continue. I try to at least put in a column and start to do cleanup. So I might not saying much. Okay. Then you guys just see what you're doing. What need to be done before RAM? What do you mean by that? I'll say that this is the two RAM. The building itself is quite straightforward. You miss the class. You mean the early on, is it? The hour at an hour plus. Oh, don't worry. That one is actually I just do a recap on this RAM itself, which is I think before the term ends. I did do up to here. I just to do a recap. Yeah, that's why I say nothing much. All right, there are an hour. I was waiting for the rest guys to come on and just recap at least to double check. And I also look out. I mean, look at your assignment one, which is a lot of them did not submit. So take it as a reminder. Later I'll enable, and that is the last thing I'm gonna do. You guys don't submit anymore, then next time don't say, Cher, I want the email to you. It should be done last year, all right, which is only a handful of you guys did the submission. Huh? So this is gonna build slowly, because once the ramp's up, you can start doing your column. And when columns done, you got to start opening a lot of editing and start to build your model up, which is I already want you guys to do it during your 2 weeks holiday. That I don't know how many of you do it. All right. Don't wait for me. Certain things that you learn before, please proceed. What I'm showing you guys here is that anything you ask me, I'm here to prepare to answer and help you to solve sort out the so-called error problems that you have when you're doing your model, or maybe some connection issue, like we try to understand this rabbit stuff on the structure side. Okay, yeah, which is a lot of beam details as additional thing need to be added, so you got to be super duper watch out for that. All right, which is arky, a lot of detail not shown, so you guys got to really put some hard work on it, because next time in real world, all right, especially the one doing what? The one doing the CE, 202 CE. You guys got to understand the structure well. The DEA, they might do modeling, because you compare the skill set, it can be identical, but end of the day, DEA, they might understand more, because theirs is engineering or digital engineering. That means they're learning the software. But for CE, CE is structural, so you need to make sure at least it does uh, enable you to edit lah, support well on this. So please, not sure, you guys still gotta ask. All right, DAs, they still have so-called family building that they'll go through. For CE, I don't think you guys are going through that. Yeah, you all learn archi and structure, but not advanced. Where DA, they are learning advanced, so they might learn more on the creating family detail kind of thing. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I will not say much. I just want to quickly do the cleans up on all this, and yeah, we'll proceed. So I can hide this soft view, because both things are there. WT, which is now I will unhide everything, reset. So this view basically allows you to do editing. When come to selection, I will select from here, so it won't be that confusing. So I'll highlight this brand first, then you come to your view, you click edit. See or not? So you can, how you can prepare this. So here, what I'm gonna do is do the alignment. Align this to this. See that? So at least I get the radius done correctly. Finish it. Oh, so from here, then you can do the tuning for the extra radius here for these two, which is you got to select your RAM itself. Then you edit sketch. Here, modify. Okay, zoom in. Now here a bit tricky here, of course, you can cast this way. That means follow this profile, because eventually the structure is taking over. So here so far overlapping is okay, because you don't drive that close to that column. So when you're creating this part, all right, you may use the pick line and pick line here, and you can still draw line to capture this. Yeah, like that. Because eventually here should be the column. Okay, now do the cleans up. This and this, this and this. Okay, what happened? More than boundary. Oh, I know what you mean. Could be this line. Yeah, never mind. Since they doesn't allow. Oh, sorry, I miss. I thought it doesn't allow. This line is not joined close up. I thought I made mistake. Finish it. It's talking about the railing, so don't bother. This railing you can ignore because later I will show you different ways to do your railing. Okay? Yes, but again, if we create railing for you, you can just simply delete away. You don't need that railing there. Structure, you don't add railing. If you need to add railing, then that is the concrete railing. I'll show you if you guys need. All right. Aki did not show, I don't know why, but for unless that rail wall or railing wall is the Aki component. All right, but if it's a concrete component, I'll show how it works. Okay, so that will come later. Oh, but doing the cleans up more important. So here got chip. Yeah, see, because of the column. So we got to add your column slowly. Because if you add your column now, later when you create your RAM, a bit difficult. So that's why I did not create column first. I create the RAM first. So faster in that way. Okay, same thing. Select this RAM, come over, edit. Same thing apply. Pick line, pick this up, and pick this up. Line here, just draw. Turn on the chain. Make sure they are all connected like that. Cleans up. Okay, finish it. Yep, it's done. Okay. So now this RAM here, the other ends, I need to make changes. So does this. So highlight this RAM. Come to the view here. You still got to modify, follow the same profile. Yeah. Edit sketch. Pick line. 1, 2, and draw it. Because if you don't do that, later you stack up the columns or the rest when you're doing the connections. You see that how come there's a lot of mistakes, a lot of things not cleaned up. Oops, forget to trim. See, while talking, sometimes can't focus much. So this is correctly done already. Yeah. See, now it's on this end, on the blue one coming down, which is here. So remember, sometime on plan, because of the two RAM they are overlapping, ideally select from the model. Then go to your plan, click edit. So this is the easier method. Okay. So here got the interaction here. By right, this should be follow. Now why is straight? Because here you need to have a beam across underneath your RAM. Okay, so yeah, pick line, pick this, pick this. As here, I will not pick because got to change, modify, line, endpoint. Come on, give me the endpoint. See, it's so difficult to snap the endpoint. Here there's an endpoint from the previous one. Okay. My this top ramp and the bottom ramp is slightly offset. Okay, because I think the alignment's a bit out, so become there's a double. Yeah, I hate that. No wonder there's an offset change. Hmm. Yep. Let me see. Cancel first. Because the top bottom, yeah, it's a bit of offset. Our plan Aki model is not there. Okay, that's why you can see that I think it's hidden if not wrong. I hide it. That's why I don't have Aki plan. Fine. Where is my Aki plan? Aki model. VG. Let me check. Half tone. Let me make sure it's there. Yeah. So at least not confusing and overlapping. Now see our RAM down and RAM up is offset. So try to set them in line. So which one is wrong? Hopefully you guys, your model don't be same like mine, because if this the case, then later a lot of adjustment need to be done. So be careful on that. Seems the bottom one is slightly offset. Okay, how can I do the alignment? Let me show you one trick. Align, select this face here, this one follow. Okay, that's it. I believe here some profile will need to do some adjustment. If it's very minor, doesn't matter. Important thing is these two must be same alignment. Yeah. Okay, you can do the alignment this way. After that, let me try to edit this again. Hopefully we'll get all the tuning back. Let me try to cleanse up. Hopefully able to do trimming now. This is correct. See, just now the coming up one doesn't allow because it's offset. Okay, this part is done. So this is okay. So these two in line later when you copy upward, all is problem free. Okay, so make sure all this tuning up properly done. All right. I don't want you guys to have issue later on. So I always like to check, make sure they are nicely adjusted. Okay. Because sometimes model can't be helped from Aki, but structure ourselves all must be alignment do nicely. That is everything will be incorrect. Yeah, see now, very nice connection. Okay. This side, let me check. This is ramp up. This is, what is this? Railing, delete. Okay. Because sometimes railing, because here did not show, so quite misleading. So just to clear and sure. I think mine so far so good. Yeah, hopefully so far so good. I think it looks good. Okay, so mine considered done. Sui sui. Okay, now it's only this part that we need to clear, which is a bit offset. Yeah. Okay, so questions? Here overlap you might not able to see. You can actually do the hiding if you want. Sunglass, hide. What else? Same thing. Or where is this RAM here? Is here. So this is this. Edit. You may want to adjust your boundary from here. Okay. So always must think of way to do the adjustment. Align here to here. Cannot. Because it's got no face. The only thing is align through here to here, like that. So it's a bit out. It's okay. Important thing is align correctly. That's what I want to see. Yeah, like this. Okay. It should not be chip one off. So this part here is still alright. If it's out, it's still okay. No worries. Huh? So important thing is things must be settled correctly. All the view in line nicely. Although they say model can be slight offset lah in construction, can be 5, 10 mm. That is real world construction. But as a model, we can't have that kind of mistake because measurement is out. You go to site, the error is even wider, bigger. Okay? Any questions, everyone? If not, then I'll stop recording. This coming Saturday, which is 2 days from now, we're gonna do the column. So I expect you guys should do your RAM finish for all level at the same time with the column. Okay. If not, then you may want to build bit by bit. I'm alright. At least like slowly build the model up concurrently lah. Don't say let's say all RAM go up first, then the building can't see block. You may do slowly. I'm okay. So you can build things slowly because here you can see that it's going to join up the sorry, this one. You can create one more to connect to second story. So at least your platform must be aligned. That means that second story level. So this is important. Okay, so I don't know here would there be any change or not, because this is a curve ramp. So this is also a challenge to you. All right. So please take it seriously, because in real world, a lot of thing is worse than your tutorial. All right. Why? Because a lot of different facilities could be used. So you never know. Okay. So I will stop here. Don't go yet. Let me capture your attendance. Yeah. A handful not in. Okay. Uh, Let me save this. Then I see you guys on Saturday. Yeah. So later tonight, I will try to finish some. So at least there's some comparison there. 16:45. Yep. Save it. Okay. So if no questions, then I'll stop here. I'll stop the recording.